sarado ngayon. Sana. Sayang. Sayang sarado. Kasi ano ngayon? Chinese New Year. New Year's Eve mamaya. Eh, pag gano daw sa Singapore, sarado daw yung mga tindahan. Half day. Anong oras na? Past 12 na. Baka nagsara. Pahanap kami ng kakainan daw. Sponsored by Sir Ian.
From Marina to Orchard Road, this is the place I call my home. Hello, Singapore, you're my melody. Every heartbeat feels so free. Hello, Singapore, shining bright tonight. You're my island of hope, my guiding light.
Merlion. Ano to? Malacanang ng Singapore.
Lego.
Lego to.
Harapan, likod din eh.
Lego. Meron palang ano dito, merong baby Merlion natin. So, wala masyado tao. So, dito pa-picture. Here.
Morning sun on Sentosa Shore, voice and laugh and